Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for Scorpio water sign. This is mid-month reading for the month of September. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see your person current feelings towards you. And your feelings towards them. Scorpio water sign, your feelings towards them. Later we see mutual energy between both of you. So first we see your person feelings towards you. The devil, lovers, temperance and 10 of cups, and your feelings towards them. The tower, the fool, 6 of swords and 2 of wands. I think there is no balance in this connection because you or your person could be Sagittarius or Gemini. Definitely there is something happened between both of you, some tower movement due to toxic energy between both of you. I think I think you are obsessed with your person. That's why your person thinking like the devil. You or your person could be Capricorn. There is love. Your person loves you. Definitely, but there is no balance and patience. Definitely patience and balance is needed to get this 10 of cups energy. Definitely there are some unbalance between both of you. So your feelings towards them, definitely you want reconciliation with your person, new start with your person after the tower moment, and this could be long distance relationship. Also 6 of swords and 2 of wands. Yeah, you are thinking about a lot about your person, Scorpio. You want to take leap of faith. So let's see mutual energy between both of you. Empress, Queen of Wands. I think there is a lot of passion between both of you, but I think one person, there could be third party situation also. Some woman is involved in this connection. For some third party, for some it could be mother, whatever. Some issues are there in this connection I am getting. So let's pull more about you, Scorpio. Yeah, 6 of Pentacles, 3 of Cups. Yeah, there is no equal give and take in this connection. For some this could be third party also, 3 of Cups, but now you want to offer equal give and take in this connection. So what about your person? 3 of Swords. Yeah, they are very heartbroken. Ace of Wands. Yeah, they also want new beginnings with you. You or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Aries, Leo, Sag, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio also. Under the deck, the moon. Definitely there are some issues. One person is hiding something from the other person. So you both have to talk to resolve things between both of you. Your person is really heartbroken and they want new beginning with you, but there are some issues has to be settled. King of Swords, communication. One person is very clear about what they want. 5 of Pentacles. Yeah, for some there is separation. And 9 of Pentacles, one person is getting stabilized emotionally and they are emotionally independent right now. So definitely those who are in separation, and that person is also want reconciliation, but they want to discuss their points. You also want reconciliation. You want to also offer equal give and take to this connection. So last one more card. Yeah, Knight of Wands. Under the deck, 3 of Wands. Waiting. You both are waiting for each other to take actions towards each other, definitely, but both want reconciliation, but nobody is taking action in this connection. I am seeing your person is heartbroken right now. They also want, but you also want. You also thinking but not taking any action. I am seeing here, but later there is some action from your side, from your person's side. Definitely there will be action. Some communication is going to be open up between both of you, those who are in separation. So definitely both are waiting for each other to take action. So this is the reading for you, Scorpio. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me guys. Bye.